feature of LogMeOnce that you might find quite convenient is the Secure Notes feature. I'm going to show you that here in this video. So your notes, it's a way to save whatever you want to save to your browser, to your LogMeOnce account. And so that can be your own personal notes, it can be bank passwords, it can be credit card information, whatever it is that you want to save and keep secure, you can save it to LogMeOnce. And the way you do that is here, there's two ways to access your secure notes. First, from your home dashboard, you'll see secure notes, can be located right here on your dashboard. Or another way to access it is to go up to your Smart menu and then choose underneath the password management, the secure notes area. So either way, once you click that, that's going to take you into secure notes. And I just have some samples here. So this shows me that I have 16 notes, and these are all examples, and you can view the note, first of all, by clicking on it. And when you click on a note, it will then show here. When you first come in, you may not see that sidebar, so you might click a note, and the sidebar, the information icon, will appear, and that's going to show you what's inside of that note. And so I can click on this one, and I see this information updates here in the info panel. I can unclick that, and we'll go back to this way of displaying. I can also change the view. So right now I have it in a grid view, but I can change it to this list view if you prefer that. You can go back to this grid view. And you can view each note, and you can also add a file to it if you want to add an image or a text document or whatever file you might want to add to it. You can add to it there. You can select the category that a note goes into. There's a list here from bank accounts to birthdays to information about your children, driver's license, email address, whatever. There's all sorts of categories you can save your notes into, or you can just have it as no category. You can also choose the color that the note appears to be. So to add a new note, because when you first open up you might not see any here, you would just go to Add Note. And by clicking that, you'll then be able to choose whatever color you would like, choose the category, type the title, and then add your note. And then you can choose to show the note on your dashboard if you prefer to see it up front and center. You just hit Add Note, and that will create a new note. You can also share a note. So I might want to go to, we want to share this more on LogMeOnce note, and the way I would share it is to click on the three dots in the top right. Let's get over to this info panel. So I might click on the three dots in the top right and go to Share. And when I do that, I will then be able to see who I might have already shared it with, if you have. If you haven't, there won't be anybody here listed. And then I can start typing an email, like for instance, my sample email here. And then I can just hit share, and that will share it with that particular person. Also, if you click on show more options, that will allow me to set a time when this note might expire, or the sharing at least of the note would expire. So if I share it with a friend, I might want that note to go away in a day. And so I could choose one day there, and I could share it, and then this note will show up in their LogMeOnce account in the notes for one day. Likewise, I can remove access if I would like to. And so to get a little fancier with the sharing, say I've shared this note with someone and I would like to remove access, I can go to the sharing center, which is another part of LogMeOnce, and I can remove access if I would like, if I don't have it expiring at a certain time. And you'll see the list, you'll see down in the list, the notes right here. There would be the note that I would have shared, and I can then remove the access, or I can resend it if they didn't receive it. So that's how you use this notes feature, the secure notes feature on LogMeOnce. Thank you for watching.